Hey there, YouTube fans, how you going? So my nephew asked me to test this microphone for him, so I'm doing that, and while I'm doing that, I may as well review this. To use his microphone and to review this Anko Kmart 3.5 inch flexible selfie ring light and the phone holder. So, of course, I'm using the ring light. It is actually dark in here, so we can see the shadow behind me. I don't have actually any other lights on. Now you'll see there's a little controller, if I can find where it's gone to. Okay, so you can see the cord there. It has modes, so it can darken down. So I'm just holding my finger on that. See, it's darken right down. And then it can lighten right up. So there we go. That's full blast. And then for people like me, I'm sensitive to the light spectrum, so it will actually give you different types of light. So there's a warm light. There's a bit more of a natural blue light, which I'm very sensitive to. And so that's a warm one. I'm going to call that natural, I think. Just trying to find the right one so I don't get sick. That seems to be white. And there's one more button here. Okay, that's on and off. Right, there we go. So on and off, up and down, and the color temperature of your light. Now, first thing I noticed, I said to my nephew when it came out of the box, is it's very heavy. So the quality of the arm and the clip seems pretty good. But the phone holder part is quite cheapy. The good news is it seems to be just a ball, like a round ball on there. And I'm pretty sure you can change that over with other fittings. But it is holding my phone there. Look, that's a Samsung like $500 phone, an A53. So I wouldn't trust this bracket in that, you know, without having it on your bed or somewhere that it's gonna fall not too far. You know what I'm saying? Like if it fell on this, it's just the table's underneath. So sorry for that glass in the shot. Like, don't trust that holder is what I'm trying to say to you. I would not trust that holder. Just as long as it's static and you got it in there, that's fine, but I would not trust it. It's just, look, it's $10 this was. So it's USB, it says 360 degrees of rotation, 24 bright LED lights. Okay, so yeah, for $10, would I buy it? I did buy it. It's from my own money. Kmart didn't pay me to review this, but yeah, I'd get one. Why not? Especially for a kid or something, or if you don't use it very often. Just do not trust that phone holder anywhere that you can drop it on the cement or somewhere hard, okay? That's my only advice to you. Hope that helps. And Tristan, my nephew, do you like the microphone? Hope that sounds all right. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Teach us all out. God bless. Ciao.